Child benefits should benefit children. By Christopher Breen. Columnist. Child Tax Benefit, CTB, Universal Child Care Benefit, UCCB, belong to the children. Canada implemented these programs as a way to help parents ensure children received what they needed. The Child Tax Benefit is a tax-free payment that eligible parents receive to help with the cost of raising children until they reach the age of 18. The Universal Child Care Benefit is given to parents for children under 6, and will be expanding to offer parents a new benefit of $720 per year for children 6 to 17 years of age. Some parents, however, seem to forget these are to benefit the children. Social media is a breeding group for posting wars where dirty laundry is shared daily. Posts about child benefits being used for drugs, alcohol, clubbing and other adult entertainment grace these posts frequently. Not all parents spend the money on themselves, some spend their own money on their children and use the benefit as a supplement. Others direct the entire benefit to cover things important to raising their children. Although we need to wonder which posts are true and which are vindictive. Although it would be a question of privacy and would cost money to do, benefit money should be monitored. However, not all parents should be monitored. Monitoring should be limited to those who are proven to use their child benefits in ways that do not benefit their children. Of course, determining who should be monitored and should not would not be an easy task. Children's needs are simple as most ask for so little. A warm bed, to sleep in, lights, to see by, clothes, to wear, toys, to play with and food and clean water. So it is clear what the CTB and UCCB should be spent on: rent, hydro, gas, water, food, clothes, and toys, for children. We see parents using these benefits to further their own means and attend their own needs. Posts about clubbing on the weekends, drugs and alcohol, new outfits, not for the children, and more. Surely parents can use their own money for that. Of course, some parents sacrifice for their children and spend all of their money to ensure their family is stable. The monitoring of the CTB and UCCB could be as simple as parents filling out a monthly statement just like social assistance does. Of course, not everyone is honest, so that probably would not work. Good parents, of course, would see the monitoring as an invasion of privacy that they should not be subject to, and they would be right. Which is why a monitoring system would never go into place. Because we can't monitor one and single them out without looking prejudice. When it comes down to it, monitoring benefits would benefit society to ensure money that is given on the taxpayer's dollar is being used properly. However, it would be an invasion of privacy that society would not stand. A complicated situation with no single solution.